Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking the slide and the object that will carry the link. Choose a word, image, or shape. Once selected, make sure the URL or file path is copied to your clipboard. This avoids typing mistakes. Next, right-click the chosen object and pick Link or Hyperlink. You do this now because embedding the link before finalizing visuals prevents design shifts later. Make sure the object has clear visual affordance so the recipient knows it is clickable. Once the link dialog is open, paste the URL into the address field and choose the link type, web, file, slide, or email, based on your goal. After inserting, add descriptive link text or apply a subtle underline so the link is discoverable in the presentation. Now run slide show view and click the object to confirm the link opens as expected. If it points to a local file, make sure the file is accessible to your recipient. If needed, adjust to a full web URL for reliability. To send over Messenger, choose whether to attach the PPTX, a PDF, or an image of the slide. Export using File Export. Once saved, open Messenger and attach the exported file, or upload the presentation to cloud storage and paste the share link. Make sure link permissions allow viewing. After sending, tell the recipient how to click the embedded object. If they report the link doesn't work, resend the slide as a PDF, or paste the full web.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.